How to fix URL signature expired in Messenger. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can fix your URL signature expired in your Messenger app. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you have updated your Messenger app. To do that, tap on Play Store and search for Messenger. If you see update sign here, tap on to update. Once you have updated your app, head over to Settings application from your device. Scroll below to Apps. Again here, search for Messenger. Then tap on to Storage and clear the cache. Come back again. Come back and tap on Force Stop. Then tap on OK. Then tap on Set as Default. Make sure that you have toggled on Open Supported Links. Now as you do all that, restart your device and this shall fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.